What's up, dancers? It is Ashley with Dancing with Ash, and today we're going into our third week of our turn series, and we're going to be talking about the spiral. It's one of my favorite turns. It's really hard, but it looks so freaking sharp. Once you get it and you get the speed and understand your balance, it's so awesome. So I can't wait to show it to you, and I'll meet you out on that dance floor. What's up, dancers? All right, so we're going to be going over that spiral turn now that I've hyped it up. Let's get to it. It's important to know with the spiral turn that the most you can actually turn on it is 7/8 of a turn. It looks like it's almost a full 360, but it is not. It's just shy. I know, just shy. It's by an eighth. But that is the maximum amount of turn you technically can get on it. You can also do as little as like a half spiral and anything in between, but you can't do a full 360 with a spiral. It's how it is. It's how it is. So what ends up happening, I'm actually going to turn to the side for you guys because I think it's better to be seen in that way. I'm actually going to step forward with my left foot. All right, now my weight is fully going to stay on the ball of my left foot, and I'm going to turn over my right shoulder. So I'm going to turn towards you guys. Again, staying on that left foot, left foot, left foot, left foot, left foot. I'm at a half turn here. I'm going to continue my turn. You're going to notice that my right leg is having to bend into what we call a figure four, right? A figure four. But we're here. My weight is still mostly on my left foot. Okay, now my right foot, if you noticed, it was here and it had to slip in to create that figure four because my knee is now driving forward in the direction that I want to travel. My left hip is back, so my left hip is going this way. My right rib is going in this direction. This allows for balance. So I have to have opposition, and then from here I just release my right foot and I step forward, and I've completed that spiral. So that's what's going on. It's very, very tricky. So that foot, my left foot, I want you to think that, again, as I mentioned in previous videos, is that there's a $100 bill under my left foot. You do not want anyone to get it. No one to get it, no one to get it. And there, I'm at my max 7/8 of a turn that I had mentioned. This would be a full turn. It's physically impossible with how my legs are. It's the 7/8 of a turn is max. And then I step forward. Another way of thinking about it is thinking about screwing your left foot into the floor. Like it's a nail. You're just screwing it right in. Okay? Now if we're going to go onto our right foot, I have a $100 bill underneath my right foot, and I'm going to be turning over my left shoulder. Left shoulder, I did my half turn. I'm starting to notice that my thighs, my inner thighs are touching, and this is where I'm going to have to bend my left knee. So I create that figure four. My right hip is back, my left rib is forward to create opposition for balance, and then my 7/8 of a rotation, and then I'm able to step forward, no problem. Okay, it's really fun when you go fast. So I'm stepping here, and then I can step forward, right? Sorry, not sorry about the noise effects, the sound effects, noise effects. I think I'm a teacher or something, right? I have that opposition, creates balance, so then I'm able to step forward. This spiral is going to take time to build, especially understanding the opposition and what you need to do in your body for balance. So, just take it slow. That's really my best advice. So when you step forward on that left foot, get to your half turn rotation. You're here. Okay, you feel the inner thighs touching, right? This is when you know that knee has to give, that free leg has to give, so you can create that turn. And just kind of, you see how I'm doing just this little pivot, pivot, pivot. That's all you got to do to understand it. And then eventually, it's just going to happen, and you're going to have that control. Now again, you want to rotate on the balls of the feet, not the toes, the balls of the feet. And any techniques, there's different ways you can execute, like the free leg. There's some Styling options you can do, I would talk to your instructor about that. Again, I'm covering the basics of what the actual spiral turn is and just some rules, right? There's obviously different techniques and stuff like that going beyond what I'm introducing to you guys at this time. So make sure you talk to your instructor about that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you guys spiraling all over the place. Say that multiple times, spiraling. If you like what you saw, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and if you would like to see more from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button on my channel. And I hope to see you guys on that dance floor soon. Mwah.